Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Wrangler JK. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: black door handles, engine block heater, inside you'll find heated front seats, trip computer, 8 speakers, compass, low tire pressure warning. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.